How to log in into your HelloFresh account. First of all, open up a web browser and then type in hellofresh.com login. Now, click on this first link, that is hellofresh.com. That will take you to the official web page. Now, to log in, navigate to top right corner and click on login button. Here, now you will have this login form. So first of all, you have to enter your email address associated with your account. Under that, you have to type in your correct password associated with your account again. In case you forgot your password, there is this link that says forgot password. Click on it. Now follow some screen instructions, then you will be able to recover your account. Or if you have created your account using Google account, Apple account, or your Facebook account, you can log in with Google, Apple, or Facebook account as well. Or if you like to log in without password, there is this button right here. Click on it. That will help you to log in without password. Or in case if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for an account through this link that says sign up. Now, to log in, if you have entered your correct login credential, click on login button. After that, you will be logged into your HelloFresh account. So that's the way to log in into your HelloFresh account, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.